Here at the Dream Dinette, if you need to have more room on one side or the other, you can push the table top either direction to gain more room one side or the other as you see fit. Here we have some pillows on the ends that serve as an armrest. Also, it helps keep you away from the shades. The angle of the seat it's not level, it's angled back just a little bit to bring your knees up a little bit. Now if you notice all your chairs that you buy, that's the way they are. So that gives you a nice comfortable eating position and sitting to enjoy this, or maybe do your taxes here on the table. Now to convert it into a bed, remove some of these cushions. We flip the lock over, push the table down into position. Now the magic. See how the seats are angled? Now you notice that this is level with the tabletop. What we have is a little stick in the back. Now we have a level surface. Put your big pads back in. And there you have your mattress. Nice level mattress.